children, this is page number 106 of your maths book, and the heading is division as equal sharing. Division as equal sharing. Here we are dividing the number. Division. What is that? Division. You have studied about addition, subtraction, multiplication. Today we are going to learn about division. Division means that you have to share the thing in equal numbers. Means equal numbers, like you have 5 toffees and you have to give this to 5 children. So how will you give equally to each? One toffees you will give to each. Okay. So this we are going to learn here, that how this works. Here look children, you can open your book also along with this. This is a collection of 16 flowers. Here in this group 16 flowers are there. It is to be shared equally by 8 boys. So these 16 flowers you have to share equally to 8 boys. Then how many flowers will you give to each boy? The question is, how many flowers will you give to each boy? 16 flowers you have to give 8 boys. So how many flowers will you give to one boy? So what you have to do? You have to read the table. What you have to do? You have to read the table. Which table? Table of 8. Up to what? You are not getting 16. Till you have to read the table of 8. Till you are not getting 16. Let's read it. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. Got it, 16? That's why here we have written 16. This is the sign of divide 8. 16 divide 8, because we got 8 2s are 16, that's why equals to 2, is also expressed as 8 16. Here you can write 8 inside 16. 8 2s are 16, so you got 16. Okay, understood? Here I am writing table for you. See, 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay, the sign of division is, this is the sign of division. This is the sign of division. Okay, you can do this thing in this way also. You can make this way column. Here you can write 16. Here is 8. Now when we are reading the table of 8, because we are sharing with 8 children, हम 8 बच्चों में बांट रहे हैं 16 फ्लावर. That's why we are reading the table of 8. And how many times? Till you are not getting 16. So we got 8 2s are 16. That's why we will write here 2. Is it clear? Now come to the next. Next is fill in the placeholders. Fill in the placeholders. So what is there? This is a collection of 35 marbles. You have to read with me. Okay. These marbles are shared equally by 7 girls. So here is the collection of 35 marbles. How many marbles are there? 35 marbles, and these 35 marbles are shared with 7 girls. How many girls? 7 girls. So how many marbles will each girl get? So 35 is more number, no? So how you will find it that how many marbles will one girl get? How many marbles one girl will get? So what you have to do? You have to read the table of 7 till you are not getting 35. So start reading the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So when you read the table of 7, you got 7 5s are 35. When you are doing in this way, this is, here you had written 35 and 7. then you got 7 5s are 35. So each girl will get 5 marbles. Each girl will get 5 marbles. Means that 7, each girl means like this is 1 girl, 2 girl, 3 girl, 4 girl, 5 girl, 6 girl, 7 girls are there. Then this first girl, no, this is girl. Just you imagine that these all are girls. So one girl will get 5 marbles. Clear? Then this will also get 5. This will also get 5. This will also get 5. 5, 5, 5. When we add 5 7 times, you will get 35. Clear? So each girl, one girl will get 5 marbles. Okay? Understood? Now, next you have the question. There are 18 candles. There are 18 candles. How many candles are there? 18 candles. Have you seen your book? Here. In your book, here candles are drawn. There are 18 candles. You can count also all the candles. How many can put finger and count it. 18 candles are there. They are put equally in 9 packets. These 18 candles you have to put in 9 packets. These are the packets. Okay. These are the packets. How many packets are there? 9 packets. How many packets? 9 packets. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packets. So 18, how many candles are there? 18 candles are there that you have to put in 9 packets. Now you will be thinking that teacher, how many candles will put in each packet? In one packet, कितना candle हम एक packet में डालेंगे? There is the problem. So it is not very difficult, children. You have to read the table of 9. Read it till you are not getting 18. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. So when you read the table of 9, 18 in 2 times you got 9 twos are 18. So in one packet how many candles you have to put? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Clear? Understood? Watch the video and try to understand. Okay? If you have doubt you can ask. You are free to ask me. Understood, children? Same way you have the next question. There are 54 biscuits. In these packets 54 biscuits are there. They are to be divided among 6 friends. These 54 biscuits you have to give to 6 friends. So what will you do? Read the table of 6 till you are not getting 54. But table you have to learn it. Okay. 6 ones are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48, 6 9 are 54. So each child will get 9 what? Biscuit. Each friend will get 9 biscuits. That's why I had given you an assignment to write the table. Understood all this question? Next you have, there are 72 buttons here. There are 72 buttons. They are put equally on 8 coats. How many are put on each coat? So, read the table of 8 till you are not getting 72. And fill these placeholders. Fill all these placeholders given in the book. Okay. Do this work in your book, page number 106. Clear, children? Complete it today. Tomorrow I will give you another work. Thank you, children.